there, everyone. My name is Vince, and today I have a special guest. He's actually not a special guest. He's becoming a fixture here on the channel. This is VCG Construction's president of construction. James is with us.
What's up, everybody?
James is also, we'd call him somewhat of a aficionado of DeWalt tools. In case you're unaware, this is DeWalt's 100-year anniversary. And what we have in this box is actually a blast from the past. I'm gonna open this baby up. We're gonna talk a little bit about it right after this message from our sponsor, VCG Construction. You wanna help out with the channel, head on over to the merch store. You get hats, hoodies, t-shirts. I don't know if these are up for sale though.
Not yet.
Link will be in the description below. This is their 18-volt NiCad platform. This was the platform where it seemed reasonable enough to make the switch from corded tools to cordless tools.
You know, these NiCad batteries, the interesting thing about them that I remember most vividly is that you had to run them till they were dead.
The reason for this video is because a lot of you said to us, hey, I have DeWalt's finest line of tools. The problem is that these batteries are shot. How can I rebuild these packs? Or where can I get NiCad cells? Or what can I do to extend my life of my tools? Because these things still run, and they run great. I could have the rose-colored glasses on because these were the most popular when I was coming up in the trades. Some of you, maybe in the area that you were in, that might have been different. Maybe the platform was Makita, which in Philadelphia, it was either you bought
that or Makita.
Now let us know down in the comment section below, in your area, what were you using? This was their top of the line.
It was.
This is their 3-speed, okay? It has drill function. It has a whole bunch of clutch settings in here.
Might need to be lubed up a little bit.
We need the lube.
It's been a while since this has been out of the box.
It does have a very familiar forward and reverse. This is present day.
You know, I never really looked at them side by side, I guess. Maybe it's not as big a difference as I thought.
DC 920 is coming in at 6 pounds, 4.2 ounces. Man, it feels pretty good. I mean, it's pretty doggone balanced, actually. You compare it, though, to the XR, we're at 5 pounds, 12.9 ounces. So we're talking like, how many years do you think these are separated? 20 years, maybe?
I'd say 20 at least, yes.
This is their DC 825. This has a battery in it, and this thing's shot. This battery is shot. You'll see that it does run.
Recycle me.
They're top of the line impacts. You have your short and fat, or you have your long and lanky, but both are not really that much smaller than the previous gen.
It's interesting when you put them side by side.
And some of you said that if you could rebuild these packs, you'd still be using them. And I say to that, why not?
Why not? I think there's a solution for that.
What if I told you that instead of buying old NiCad cells.
Can you even get NiCad? I don't think you can get NiCad batteries anymore, can you?
Sure you can.
Oh, okay.
Sure you can. What if I said you can use lithium-ion cells with these tools? What we have here is a DeWalt adapter. Now, I gotta be totally honest with you, I thought this was a actually sanctioned DeWalt product. It says DCA 1820. It says their 18 volt to 20 volt max adapter. Now, there will be a link in the description or a little bag for you to buy a similar adapter, one that comes directly from DeWalt. It will either come just the adapter or it will come with some 20 volt max batteries. There should be no real electronics in here. I mean, we have a negative and a positive. We have a negative and positive. This isn't going to, like, I don't think it will transmit any information that would be coming from the battery packs going to the tools. None of that. This is literally an archaic interface that allows these batteries to work on these tools. This is 20 volt max 4 amp hour battery pack. You can see we're able to slide our battery right onto that adapter. Because there's no electronics or shutoffs built into these older tools, you're gonna run the risk of overcurrenting. There's gonna be, not overvolting, but drawing too much current out of these lithium-ion batteries and possibly destroying your tools. And we don't wanna do that, especially these. These are actually on loaner. From who?
My brother-in-law.
From his brother, Jimmy's brother-in-law. You can see, pops right on. We should theoretically be able to go to work. I will tell you.
It sounds a little bit stronger.
It sounds a lot stronger, actually.
Oh, yeah.
Yo, it sounds like a new tool.
Yeah, it does.
Tell me what you think.
Oh, yeah. You could definitely feel a difference once you swap these batteries out, just in the power and the ability of the tool. I'm interested to see the difference in maybe driving some screws or something with the two different batteries. It's gonna be an interesting test. You're wondering if this could take on that.
I am.
In this current configuration.
Yeah. I'm curious to see
the
if there's
difference.
an audible difference here.
Oh, yeah.
You can smell that.
Yeah.
The rose-colored glasses would have me say that these tools were the best of an era. Are they really better than the current generation? Well, we're going to show you two things today. Number one, we're going to show you how you can, instead of rebuilding these packs, how you can power these tools. And then we could just run some basic tests to see if the older tools can actually keep up with the newer generation tools. Which tool you want to run?
The old one.
Why?
I don't know. I haven't ran one in a while.
We're going to just see how the new drill compares to the old drill. They're not going to be, they're just, it's for fun.
Yeah.
Okay, people, it's for fun.
We're just having a little fun, all right?
So we got inch and 5/8 drywall fasteners. We're both in speed 1. 1, 2, 3, go.
Got it done.
Yeah. Can you go to speed 2?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go. I mean, for daily driving tasks, I think that would be perfectly suited.
Sure. I mean, this obviously in this configuration's a little
What's wrong with that?
nuts, but
Let's
if
go.
you still have 18-volt tools and you're a DIYer at home and you don't want to, and you have a lot of the tools and you don't want to invest in.
Make no mistake about it. The XRP line of tools is a contractor grade line of
absolutely.
tools. So it might not have the bells and whistles and the brushless motors of today, but you could use it on the job site. It doesn't have to necessarily just be for home, in my opinion.
Hey, you still drive screws with it?
We're on speed 3.
1, 2, 3, go.
We're talking about a fraction of a second.
In 3 decades.
It doesn't have any LEDs. You know what I mean?
That's the one thing
if you're
that I
working
really-
in low light, you know what I mean? You might still need that old. You still might need that young, aspiring tradesperson to
Headlamp.
hold a flashlight, or you can go with the old headlamp. Let's try something a little bit tougher. We'll see who can yank it faster. You're in speed 1?
Speed 1.
I'm in speed 1. So we're gonna reverse these out. We're gonna redrive them. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh! Let the smoke out. Carmen, if you're watching. I would normally say, like, the best bet. Oh, seeing some sparking.
Oh yeah, I saw that in the back end.
Usually the best bet to cool the tool off is to continue to run it. You know what it is? He was running the tool in reverse, and it wasn't circulating the air to the tool. It was circulating the air away from it, making it burn up even more. Let's try to drive the screw. By no stretch of your imagination is this going to be a speed test. 1, 2, 3, go.
Got it done.
It did it with fairly little fanfare on the way driving it down. Definitely less fanfare than
coming out.
Backing it out. So here's the deal, you know.
Maybe don't use it in reverse.
As long as you're going forward with this, I think you're better off. But inexpensive adapter, old tool, still a lot of life left in it. And here's the thing, even though it was letting a little bit of the smoke out, it's still running. Let's try some impact drivers.
Nice.
In addition to using FlexVolt technology with the older tools, DeWalt has even newer pouch lithium technology in the way of PowerStack. If you wanted to see these new batteries in action and learn a little bit more about them, you can go to this video right here. In that video, you could actually see this PowerStack battery go against this FlexVolt battery on rotary hammers, and you can see the actual result. Can we run PowerStack on this older DeWalt tool? Wow, we can indeed. We should probably start this test out on speed 1. This is DeWalt's DCF 845. What was the number on that one?
This is DC 825.
So we're like at least 20 years apart.
Oh, yeah.
That actually does have a light on it.
Does it? Oh, it does. Look at that.
Actually pretty bright white light.
Well, like I said, I think these came along towards the tail, or I bought this at least at the tail end of the NiCad generation.
1, 2, 3, go. Old Faithful here beats it with PowerStack. Let's try speed 2.
I live in
We're
speed
gonna go
2.
on 3.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Man, pretty much a tie. You go to speed 3?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. I mean, it's a dead heat.
Yeah.
I think we're going to need to up the fastener size. So you can see the XR had no problem pulling that fastener out.
Let's see how this goes. No smoke show.
No smoke show. Not a lot of fanfare. You have to remember, this is a single speed. But let's see which tool.
I get a little smell.
A little smell. I think that's the oldness wearing off, you know what I mean? It's getting its sea legs back. Let's see who could drive it faster.
Speed 2?
You could go and speed whatever. I only have a single speed here.
I think 2 is probably the most comparable. 1, 2, 3. Whoa.
I don't. Just go and speed 3.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. So it's somewhere between 2 and 3.
I gotta tell you, it's still a quarter. This is a by 5-inch structural lag fastener. There's a lot of life left in these older tools. Maybe it is DeWalt's greatest accomplishment ever. Let us know down in the comment section below. Jimmy, is there anything else you'd like to add to this?
Love black and yellow, been running it since back in the day with these. Stay with it, still gets the job done.
If they're working for you and they're still making you money and you can extend their service life, why wouldn't you do it? Yeah, it doesn't have all the bells and whistles, but sometimes you don't need all the bells and whistles to get the job done. Jimmy, we appreciate you being
Oh, I love
here.
it. This
Thank
was
you.
a fun one.
Thank you for taking some time out. Hope to see everybody on the next one.